My students, a very good morning to all. Hope you all are fine and safe, staying at your home only. And here is the second chapter of the book Flamingo, The Low Spring, written by the writer Anis Jung. And you all know that Anis Jung always write about the life of the children only. And here is spring means childhood, or you can say the happiness, and here is lost means khoya hua. And Anis Jung is here writing in this chapter about the lost childhood. And here, I think it is visible, and here is the low spring. Anis Jung has tried to highlight the plight of poor people and the children who are exploited either by their uneducated and poor, helpless parents and society who employ them as child laborers. Ki as you all, I think all you have seen that there is the demand for the child labors. Do you know why? Because they just can work in the very less amount. So here is the thing only, and spring of life refers to the happiness, and low spring means lost happiness. And in this chapter there are two stories. First part is about the rag pickers and the second part is about the bangle makers. And here is the story of the first part. Here is the one thing, that is from where they migrated. Simapuri is on the border of Delhi, where about 10,000 families of rag pickers live. यानी कि here 10,000 families of rag pickers are living. They have come from Dhaka. From where they come from? They come from Dhaka, Bangladesh in 1971 as their lands and houses were devastated by storm. Because उनके जो है घर, जो उनकी ज़मीनें थी वो सब storm से उजड़ गया था. And what was the reason? Because all the lands, their houses were flooded out in the storm. And here is the next, that is settlement at Simapuri. That how they are living at Simapuri, how their life is in Simapuri. Huts, mud house, and here is the tirpal, tin roofed, poor sanitation, no safe drinking water, no sewage, compelled to live substandard life in slum. Okay, because they all are living in the life that is in a very stinky way. They are not living life in a proper manner. And here is thou, they are on the outskirts of Delhi. They are living in miserable life which is no way can match the life in Delhi. Why the writer has used this thing? Do you know? Because in the Delhi, what we are watching, what we can see, they all are living life in a very standard way. So their life can't be matched with the life the people of Delhi are living. They have ration cards to buy grains, are vote banks for politicians, but are compelled to lead a poor life. But they are living which type of life? They all are living a poor life. Both children and elders are rag pickers. What they all are? They all are rag pickers. Garbage hold different meanings. And here garbage having two meanings. One is for the elders and one is for the children. For elders it is means of livelihood, जीने का तरीका है, जीविका चलाने का साधन है. But for children it is gold mine. But what about it is for children? It is like a gold. They get surprises like coins, currency, notes. And children are deprived of schooling, fulfilling their dreams and wearing shoes. And children are deprived from these things. They are not getting these things. They are gang of rag pickers who move in local areas, barefooted with semi-naked body, collecting and carrying bags full of rags. In their bags, what it is? Full of rags. Okay. And here is Sahibe Alam. That is a major character. Sahibe Alam is a major character of the first story. That is the rag pickers. A rag picker whose name means Lord of Universe. What's the name of Sahib Alam? Lord of Universe. And ironical कि it is just a vidambana, भाग्य की vidambana, fate of irony when we say that he is just a rag picker. He is a 10 years old. कि कितने सालों का है? 10 सालों का. हैज़ अ ड्रीम टू गो टू स्कूल. और उसका एक ड्रीम है कि वो कहाँ जाएगा? स्कूल में जाएगा. And wear tennis shoes and play tennis. Unfulfilled dream. That is just the dream unfulfilled. That can't be fulfilled never. It can't be fulfilled never. and gets a discarded pair of tennis shoes, later works on a tea stall, rupees 800 salary, but is no more master of his own. But he is not having any freedom, he is not having any liberty. He is thus unhappy. The weight of tin canister, mean to say what is tin canister here? You can say चाय बनाने वाला जो पतीला होता है उसके लिए, is heavier than the bag of rags. कि what he is saying in real तो obviously you all get it कि bag of rags is heavier, but what he is saying, if I have lost my liberty, if I have lost my freedom, then this tin canister is heavier than the bag of rags. And this was the first part of the story, and about the next part, that is the second part, bangle making, we will just see in the next video, part 2. Thank you.